Okay, so I'm just doing a quick unboxing video because I just want to see what's in these boxes with the surprise, and nobody else has put it up, so I'm going to put it up. I ordered all three, and it just came in one big pink box. I haven't looked. I started to open because I thought they would be in 3 boxes, but then I stopped because it's not in 3 boxes. So, let's see what came inside. Oh, okay, so this is the Wellness Goals bundle. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to do it one-handed because I'm using my phone and I don't film very often. So it looks like we knew that we would get these ultra-fine tip markers, 6-pack. And, oh, it looks like it's a little book of Post-it notes, and I dropped it. And, I think this is the surprise item. It looks like, it looks like a sandbag, like for putting over your eyes or something. I don't know. Let's see what the card says. Oh, this is the dashboard, the wellness dashboard. And this is the bag. Trying to do things one-handed. This is the bag, and this is the card. So it says here, yeah, we got the wellness dashboard, the colorful fine tip markers 6-pack, the floral zipper pouch, the wellness washi tapes, and then the surprise item. Yes, I was right. It's a weighted eye mask. Prioritize much needed sleep with this calming surprise weighted eye mask. Block out blue light and lock in sound sleep. Sweet dreams. So it's cute. I have something similar, so it's not that exciting to me, but it's cute. It's got this pretty floral pattern, and it's got kind of like, feels like almost like sand. It's like a sandbag, but when you put it on your eyes, it's just weighted. So that's the wellness one. Let's see what's next in here. And again, I apologize for the one-handed bad filming, but you work with what you got. So this is Embrace a Sparkling New Wonder into Wonderful Winter Organization. So this is the Winter Sparkle Bundle. All right, let's see what we got here. So there's that snowflake sticky notes. I think this is the surprise item. Metallic organizer. Okay. It almost looks like a passport holder. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, y'all. Oh, yeah, and it's glittery even on the inside. I don't know if that's just fallout glitter. So yeah, it looks like it's just like a little folio. It's got some card slots. You can see that. So that's okay. And let's see. Oh, these are the glitter highlighters. So I'm excited to try those. And this is the, oh yeah, the season's priorities, the little dashboard with the notepad. Very cute. And one moment. And the Duo notebooks. Oh, they're also in more packaging. But we just wanted to see what the surprise items were. Okay. So yeah, here. So we got the metallic spine softbound notebook Duo. The Winter Glitter Dual Tip Highlighters 4-pack. Winter Sticky Notes Dashboard, Winter Floral Sticky Notes, and then the surprise item, the Metallic Organizer, a fashionable and functional winter must-have. This surprise metallic organizer is perfect for carrying your seasonal essentials. It's really cute. Let's see. And the last one. Let's see. This is the New Year. Oh. Okay. I think this must be the surprise item. It looks like a book stand. Let's see. All right, hold on. Oh yeah, so it looks like it's like a teal color with wood, and I'll have to put that together here. But again, one-handed. I just wanted to see what stuff was and unbox it for anybody else who was just waiting to see what was inside. I know the video's not the best quality, but that's okay. And then this looks like another dashboard, very similar to the one that came in the Winter Sparkle, with some sticky notes. And this looks like the envelope with some stickers, New Year's sticker pack. It's a cute envelope. And this 2024 planner, very cute. And there's one more item. That's right, the winter gel pens in, what are the colors? Raspberry, iris, and black. And the card. So you got the A5 bound vegan leather goal setting journal, the New Year envelope sticker pack, the New Year sticky notes dashboard, the winter gel pens, and then the surprise item, the book stand. Save desk space while displaying your favorite book with the surprise book stand. Featuring sturdy construction and a stylish finish, it's the perfect companion for planners and avid readers. Okay, so those were the bundles. And I just want to dive in and play with stuff. Like I said, I just wanted to film this for anyone else that was kind of curious what else came in these bundles. I always love their seasonal bundles. So, and I'm pretty new to Erin Condren. I just started using stuff within the past few months. But I've enjoyed watching the unboxings, even though I haven't gotten any in the past. So that is all, and yeah, have a good night.